let's get ready to go back in the house. Maybe we'll see a few more along the way. There's one. It's a pinkish purple colored one. Put that in the basket. Yeah. What else is up there? Just finding stuff on your own. Oh my goodness, there's more up here. Go ahead and get them. In the basket, yeah. And more. Blue one. Put that in the basket. Oh, an orange one. A green one. Yeah. I see two more. Careful. Must have scared off the Easter bunny. Dropped it on the way out. One more. Good job. Let me help you up.